In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize emails in Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to set up clear, color-coded categories, so your inbox is easier to scan and manage at a glance. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook. From the results, click the official Outlook website. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your mailbox. If not, sign in with your Microsoft account to continue. Once you're in, go to your inbox so we can create categories right from an email. Find any email to use as your starting point. Right-click the message to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works as well. In the menu, hover your cursor over Categorize. This reveals the category options. Choose New Category to create your first label. Give it a clear name. Something like Important works well, but the name should match how you plan to use it. Short and specific names are best for quick scanning. Next, pick a color that stands out. Color is your visual cue, so choose something that contrasts well in your inbox. When you're happy with the name and color, click Save. You've just added your first category. Let's set up another one so you have a quick system right away. Again, right-click an email to bring up the menu, hover over Categorize, and select New Category. Name this one something different, for example, Urgent, to separate time-sensitive items from general importance. Select a different color to avoid confusion. Distinct colors make it easier to prioritize at a glance. Then hit Save to store that category. With these two categories created, you now have a simple framework to stay organized, one for significance and one for time sensitivity. The key is consistency. Use names you'll remember and colors you can recognize instantly. If you ever want to adjust a name or switch a color, you can return to the same Categorize menu and make changes later. It's better to refine than to let your inbox get cluttered. A quick tip. Categories work best when they're few and intentional. Start with just a couple, like the ones we made, and expand only if you truly need more. That way, your labels remain meaningful and easy to apply. And that's it. You've opened Outlook, navigated to your inbox, and created two custom color-coded categories you can rely on every day. Keep using these consistently, and your inbox will become faster to scan, easier to sort, and much less overwhelming.